everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. CoinW Safe and Secure Crypto Exchange, your trusted crypto ally. You can also download the app on App Store and Google Play. First, you have to register your account. I'm telling you that how you can register your account. Simply write your email address or phone number, then write your referral code and register your account. Next, we have the trade crypto with ease. Master trading instantly, explore our product, gain real-time insight, and unlock your profit potential, earn safely and securely. Enhance your trading with extensive liquidity, powerful tool, and ultra-fast execution. Smooth trading at fingertips. Safeguard your assets with top-tier security and comprehensive protection. Next, we have the crypto market. Here you can check it out, their favorites, trending, new listing, top gainers, and top volume. This is an amazing platform. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next, we have that what they offer. They offer spot trading, future trading, buy and sell crypto, and furthermore, I'm telling you one by one. Spot trading, trade top crypto in real time with a user-friendly platform, advanced tool, and deep liquidity. Future trading, trade crypto futures to capitalize on market trends, predict movements, and benefits in a secure environment. Buy and sell crypto, easily purchase or liquidate your crypto, use diverse payment methods and enjoy competitive rates with minimal fees. CoinW Earn, invest your crypto and earn competitive interest return. Grow your crypto securely and effortlessly. CoinW Live Stream, turn into live sessions with top crypto masters. Stay updated with the latest market trends and trading strategies. CoinW Academy, become a crypto expert with CoinW Academy's curated content, master topics effortlessly. CoinW is proud to officially launch the Future Trading Protection Funds, the first user contribution based value system in the industry on 15th of May 2025. CoinW will allocate at least 5 lakh USDT to the protection pool every month. User can grow their personal protection limits through trading activities and inviting friends. If liquidation occurs, user can claim up to 500 USDT in subsidies, making trading safer and more reassuring. Here you can check it out. Trade anywhere, anytime. Experience unmatched security and speed. Next, we have empowering global growth through trading. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is an amazing crypto exchange. Here you can check it out, their amazing services and product right here. This is an amazing platform. Now I'm showing you their future trading protection program. Every trade you make is protected by the funds. Here you can check it out. Their event end in 30 days, 30 minutes, and some seconds. You can also join right here. Create account on CoinW with Cole's referral link and open the future account. Get a chance to claim 50 USDT bonus. Complete first deposit with any amount can win another 50 USDT bonus. Complete first future trading which hit the minimum volume 500 USDT to claim 100 USDT bonus. Here you can check it out, this stuff. First, we have the introduction future protection program phase 1. CoinW is launching the future protection program with every future trade and new user referral on the platform. A fund is contribute to your personal protection pool. If you experience a liquidation, you can claim the protection fund from your pool to safeguard your trading. Next, we have the protection funds acquisition. Join the program. Click the Join Now button on the event page to register for the program. Accumulated protection funds. Trade futures and invite new users to increase your protection pool. Number 3. Claim protection funds. Click Claim to receive the available funds which will be automatically credited to your future account. Next, we have that why we choose them. Because they have 7-year plus global market leadership, 13 million global users, and 200 plus countries and regions served. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is an amazing platform. Now back to the website. You can also see the sample videos right here for better understanding about the CoinW crypto exchange. This is an amazing platform. Now I'm telling you that how you can withdraw your amount right here. Simply click on withdraw option. Here you can see you have to write some information right here. First, you have to select the coin right here which you want to select. Here you can see I'm selecting USDT. Then you have to withdraw wallet address. Then you can see they will ask you about the network. Here you can select the network. I'm selecting BXC BNB Smart Chain. Next, we have the withdrawal address. For withdrawal address, simply click on add address and here you can write your withdrawal address and then select the source which you want to select. I'm selecting Binance. After that, simply click on submit button. After that, they will ask you about the security verification. Here you can verify. Simply write your trading password right here. Simply click on confirm. After that, here you can see Google authentication code. You can write the 6-digit code from Google Authentication. After writing your authenticator code, then click on confirm. Here you can see, simply click on confirm. After that, select your withdrawal address right here. Then write your amount. After that, simply click on withdrawal option, and here you can see the security verification details, and then click on submit. Again, write your trading password for security. Then click on confirm. Here you can see our withdrawal is successfully completed right here, and you will get withdrawal in few seconds. Now back to the website. Here you can also deposit right here. Simply click on deposit option, and here you can see that how you can deposit. Simply select your coin right here. I'm selecting USDT. Then select your network right here. I'm selecting BSC BNB Smart Chain. After that, you can simply scan their QR code, and here you can check it out, the minimum deposit, deposit confirmation, contract address, and here you can see the deposit history. By follow this method, you can simply deposit here. This is an amazing platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on CoinW with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.